Hello guys, welcome to the course of Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner to Expert. In this lesson, I'm going to overview on Adobe Premiere Pro from the very beginning. So you will get Adobe Premiere Pro software from adobe.com. You can run a free trial, but after the trial expires, you have to purchase it from adobe.com. So when you open Adobe Premiere Pro software, you'll get a window like this. Here is some menu: new project, open project, and home. These are the project names which we have worked before, so that's why it is shown here right now. To open a new project, you have to click new project, and if you have created a project, you can click open project. If we click new project menu button, then a window comes up like this. Here we can see there is a name, location where we can save our video, some general information tab, where the video renderer. This is the default settings of here. Capture format, color management. We'll keep everything as default settings. If we click on the scratch disk tab, there you can see that captured video where it will be saved and captured audio where basically it is the tab where the project files will be saved. In the video display format, there is a time code display format. Time code is a default setting. It can be saved as frames or time codes, but time code is a default setting. We'll keep the default settings. There is a capture format. The DV is the default settings, and color management. This is 203 75%, HLZ 58% PQ. That is a default setting. There are some other settings, but we'll keep the default settings and we'll click OK. After clicking OK, here is our window where we'll edit our videos. There is a 4 panels here. One is a source panel, one is a project panel, and other is a program monitor, and another is a timeline panel. So in the source monitor, we can preview any clip. There are some other tabs. We can see other panels: effects control panels, lumetri scopes panels, text panels, libraries. You can see that. So if we mess up any default workspace, this is like this, so we can go to the window and reset it to reset save layout, so it will go back to its previous form. Also save a new type of workspace by any name, and if we messed up any time, we can reset it to save layout. There is the effects panel where the effects and presets are stored there. We can use this when it is needed. There is a lumetri color panel. We can use it for color correction and color grading. There is an essential graphics panel. We can get this from the window. We can get any windows. If it is not in the layout, we can get these windows from the window option menu. From the essential graphics tab, we can import the graphics onto our video. Click on the window. There is some other windows like capture that is not in our saved layout. Windows layout, this is not in our layout. We can get it from the Windows menu. There is other options like edit, clip, sequence, markers, graphics, view. We'll use it to edit our videos. There is a metadata window where we can get the information of any video clips. We can drag the windows from here to there. Suppose if we want to keep the source monitor within here, we can just drag and drop into the program monitor, and we can save it to a new layout, and we can get it from window workspaces. We can also increase or decrease any panel layout. If any windows or panels, if it is not shown in our layout, we can get it from the window option. And if you want to close any panel, just click close panel. So this is the basics of layout of Adobe Premiere Pro. We'll meet up with a new topic in next lesson. Thank you.